guys, so how to set a tub in a mortar bed. We got our mortar mixed right here. We got our tub level, and we drew some lines on it, but most importantly, we want to make sure that our drains line up, and we want to put those and hook those in as soon as we are done with our mortar bed. Okay, so we're going to pull this, and then we're going to set our mortar, and we'll keep you guys updated. Come on in, guys. So we're just right in the middle of our tub here, putting now I use tile mortar, the cheapest tile mortar you can find. And you want to make sure that it holds its form, okay? If it starts to do like pancake batter and starts running out everywhere, no. You want it to hold its form kind of like this, okay? Okay, so we got our mortar bed under there. Before we start pushing this tub down, we're going to adjust our drain and screw our drain on. We got 2 screwdrivers, let's do it. Okay, so I put silicone on my threads. Okay, I've got this adjusted exactly where I want it. Okay, you want to make sure your screwdrivers don't get too far down in there, because I've broken the plastic fitting down there before. Okay, so now that that's in, okay, I'm going to pull my pry bar out. We're going to get our level. So we're high on the front here a little bit. Okay, we're good there. Okay, it looks like we're high up right here a little bit. Okay, good. About as good as it gets. All right, guys, so come on in. Notice right here, we've got our rubber grommet on the inside of this, okay? So this thing with the screws, this thing just hangs like this, but you want to make sure that that rubber grommet goes in here, and that the larger part of the rubber grommet, here, I got this stuff. I'll push it out. You can make sure the larger part of the rubber grommet is up, okay? And then it just kind of squeezes nice and tight up against there. And then you put this on with your screws, and you tighten it down, not too tight, but you want it tight enough to where it's going to squeeze that rubber together. Okay, and our mortar bed mix. Okay, we let that set up, and then I always like to go through and spray foam in it. And we did this a couple days ago. It's nice and hard. It fills in all the gaps. It just gives it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.